Hello, welcome to Jaguar Land Rover Stockton. A beautiful example of a Land Rover Defender 110 in stock with us. Now this one in particular finished off in the stunning metallic Pangea Green. This car is also a petrol plug-in hybrid, so it's the P300e engine on this particular vehicle, stunning metallic right round the car of course, standard on Defender, lot of specification. Now we've got a 3D surround camera on this vehicle going right round, and of course with it being the SE specification, it is also what we call the X-Dynamic. So a lot of nicer styling right round the vehicle, 20-inch silver sparkle alloy wheels, lots of nice black accents right round the car, including them side vents, the mirror caps, again the continuation of those cameras. We've got keyless entry, privacy glass as standard from the factory with Defender, and of course coming round to the back we do have that signature spare wheel which looks absolutely brilliant on Defender. Looking down below that spare wheel we've actually got an electrically deployable towbar. Now we can actually deploy or store that using the infotainment system, or we can even just press the button in the back of the car. Now that takes over 13 seconds to deploy or store, so really quick, and we've even got nice options like domestic plug socket in this vehicle. It's a slightly lipped boot with it being a plug-in hybrid, but nonetheless a really good size boot one, and of course the option of folding them seats down in a 60-40 split should we need any extra room going forward. If we're looking on the inside of this vehicle, I mean the back of it, with the gauge and the margin, is exactly what I would expect. It looks like it's hardly ever been sat in. Now it's a full ebony perforated leather with no clear signs of wear and tear at all. And the excellent condition carries on right to the front of the car. Now we've got electric seats for both the driver and the passenger, both of them benefiting from having memory functionality inside the vehicle as well. Now we've got 1,219 miles, so the car is way within its infancy. Heated steering wheel, auto lights and wipers. We've got the likes of adaptive cruise control, which is a brilliant feature. Fully digital dashboard, which is fully customizable on here, and a huge infotainment system with it being the later model year Defender. So we've got full 360 cameras on here, navigation, phone connectivity, and most importantly for someone like myself, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now we've also got nice things like air suspension on this vehicle, which is a really nice sought after option on Defender, so we can lower or raise the car. Keyless start stop, all of our heated seats, dual zone climate control that I would expect to find on the car, and of course with it being a PHEV Defender we do actually have the option of popping it into EV mode. Now storage space right around the car, twin cup holders, we've got that updated wireless charger, storage space between the two front seats, we've got a nice bit of specification up above which is that sliding panoramic roof with the electric sun blinds. So again, this is an X-Dynamic SE P300e Defender 110, finished off in a beautiful metallic Pangea Green. If you do have any further questions on this vehicle, we encourage you to please inquire online or call us through this website. Thank you.